Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel and welcome to another interesting video where I'm going to be installing Prestashop on a live website. If this is something that interests you, then please keep watching. I'm going to install Prestashop on one of my live domains on a free web hosting server. So this is going to be pretty interesting. For free web hosting, I have chosen Infinity Free. If you wish to know more about Infinity Free, you could go to my video titled Free Web Hosting for WordPress, where I tell you more about Infinity Free. But for the time being, we'll log into Infinity Free, and there you'll get an option to go to Control Panel. And once you log into the control panel, you'll get an option to add the domain that you wish to host. For example, I have 3 add-on domains parked here, so I'll go to domains, and under domain I'll click on add-on domains. Now, before I can add a new domain here, I need to change the name servers at my domain controller's website. So I've purchased this guitarcard.com domain from Net4. So I'll go to name server. I hosted this domain on Miles Web earlier, so I need to change the host name. I've already done that. I just wanted to show you where you can change the name servers. So the name servers should be exactly the same what it is mentioned here, ns1.epizy.com. So I'm gonna close that, and if I click on arcade.com and add domain, it says, congratulations, you have now added a new domain to your control panel. So I'll click on go back, and now you can see there are 4 domains that I've added on to Infinity Free. I'll host WordPress on 3 of them, and I'll install Prestashop on one of them today in this live video. So I'll go to main menu. Alright, in the control panel, when you scroll to software, you'll find Softaculous apps installer. Click that and you'll get to this page. Over here you see a wide variety of content management softwares that you could install on your domain, and we're gonna go ahead and click on install on the Prestashop icon, and now this page says that the Prestashop's version that you can install is this, and you could change the version from here. I'll keep the default version, which is the most stable one. You could choose the protocol, and over here you need to choose the domain. And in this video I'm going to install Prestashop on a top level domain, guitarcard.com. so all these domains are added on the Infinity Free hosting. If you've been watching my previous videos, you know how to add domains into your free hosting, and we wouldn't want to install this inside of any directory, so I'll delete this. And then you could name your store, and so admin folder, let it be admin123, admin email, I'll change it to my own email, and password I'll keep a strong one. Alright, and you just need to go ahead and click on install. And this is more or less an automated process. It'll give you the login credentials and the URL from where you can log in into your control panel or the back end of the content management software, where you will start designing your website. Just like this. It says congratulations, the software was installed successfully for this domain, and the administrative URL is guitarcard.com and admin123. So when you click on that admin URL, you'll go to this, and I'll go ahead and put in the email address, and the password for this is, and I'll click login, and you'll get to the dashboard of the website, which is pretty cool. And now this is the scratch, and you'll start building upon your website. In this control panel, you see dashboard here, catalog, orders, customers, price, rules, modules and services. So I'll keep a track of all these menu items here in my mind, and I'll make videos one by one. So the demo mode is on, I can turn the demo mode off. Alright, so when the demo mode is turned off, so you got all the values here, reset it to 0 more or less, and then I'll go to preferences, I'll go to themes, and first things that you would want to do for your default theme is to add in your own logo. So header logo, I'll add the logo. And I click save. Alright, then you could go to invoice and email logos, which automatically take up the default, and then you could go to icons, the favicon and the store icon, and I click on add. I'll try to add this favicon. It's in PNG file. Let me see if it handles PNG or not. Because otherwise I'll have to convert this into, no, it has not taken the PNG file. I'll convert it into .fav. So that's how you start with your website. And if we go to the domain itself now, the live domain, and it should open up the default theme. Right, this is the only change that we've made as of now. We'll start making changes pretty soon, and this website will be revamped to to what we desire it to be. And thank you so much for watching this video. That is what I wanted to cover in this video. I hope you liked it. The live installation is complete. We'll build the things up from here on, and keep watching the channel, keep supporting. I appreciate all the support that you give. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.